Good morning, everybody. In life process of living things, part 1. Today we study cell division, an essential life process. Cell division means every living animals have a property, important property that is called as a cell division. Due to this property, a new organisms develop or form from the existing one cell. In multicellular organisms, because of the cell division, body is grown up and emaciated body can be get restored. In cell division, there are two types of cell division. There are two types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. There are two types of the cell division. Mitosis occur in somatic cell and the stem cell, while meiosis occurs in germ cells. Before studying the cell division, we should know that the structural organizations of the animal. We know that all animal body is made up of a cell, then cell form tissue, tissue together form the organ, many organs togetherly form organ system, and then organ system form body. We know that this organ structure organization already we studied in the last standard. Every cell have a nucleus, as well as they also have cell organelles. Which cell organelles? With this nucleus in a cell, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, cell wall, cytoplasms are different type. Golgi bodies, Golgi complex are different type of the organs are present in the cell of all animals. Today we are going to discuss about the cell division. Today we are going to study the cell division. Before going to study the cell division, we should know that in cell the chromosome numbers are there are chromosome number, and chromosome numbers are always 2n, means double number, means even number. Chromosome numbers are present in the even number, and when this cell is goes in a cell division, that time this 2n number chromosome number become double, that is the 4n. Okay, that means if there are 10 chromosome, then in a cell division they are become 20. Okay, this chromosome numbers are get double. In cell, a pair of chromosomes are present in a twin. Twin means pair of chromosomes are present. In this single chromosomes are present in the conditions. See in your book the diagram of the single chromosome there. When cell is undergoes the cell division, that time the chromosomes are become like that. This is the structure of chromosome. That chromosome contains that part that is called chromatid. Central part is called the centromere. Then this is called the long arm or the Q arm. and this chromosome made up of the DNA. Okay, these chromosomes are take part in the cell division. First, see the mitosis. First, see what is mitosis. Mitosis mainly somatic cell. In mitosis takes place in a somatic cell and the stem cell, right? Somatic cell and the stem cells are divided by the mitosis cells. It completed through two steps. It also has a two steps. One is karyokinesis and second one is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means in this step nucleus is divided. Here what happened in karyokinesis, nucleus is divided, means one nucleus divided into two nuclei. While in a cytokinesis, after division of nucleus, then cytoplasm is divided. That means in a cell, in the center nucleus present, when it takes place undergoes the mitosis, that time this nucleus is divided into two nuclei. Okay, this nucleus divided into two nuclei, and later on then this cytoplasm is get divided. So from one cell these two cells are formed. Okay, mitosis is completed in a four step. There are four steps. First step is known as a prophase, means step or the phases are there. Mitosis have a four steps. One is prophase. In this chromosomes, the chromosome present in a cells are condensed. They are condensed. So what happens? This chromosome become thick and short. So they are become visible. Generally earlier they are invisible in a nucleus, but in a prophase they are condensed, so become thick and short. So they appear along with their pair of. So they appear with their pair of sister chromatids. Appear with a pair of sister chromatids. Okay. As well as the centrioles also get duplicate, and each centriole moves to. So what happens here? In a nucleus of the cell, then the centrioles get duplicate, and then duplicate means the centriole become double, and these centrioles are moves to opposite pole of the cell. Then here they are moves to opposite pole of the cell. Okay. Then nuclear membrane and nucleolus. Then here the nuclear membrane and the nuclear present, they are also disappear. They are disappear. Then after this stage, after completion of this stage, the second stage is appears. That is called as a metaphase. In metaphase, nuclear membrane completely disappear. Completely disappear, and chromosomes are become clearly visible in a cell, in a nucleus. All chromosomes are then arranged. Then all chromosomes are arranged in a equatorial plane, like that. Equatorial plane in a nucleus. There are flexible proteins. Here the special type of flexible proteins are there. That are called as spindle proteins. Flexible proteins, that is spindle proteins are there. That spindle proteins are formed between these centrioles, so that of each chromosomes and both centrioles. Okay, here in between the centriole and each chromosome, the special phaseal proteins, that is spiral shape. After this metaphase, the third stage is the anaphase. It take place.